Whoa! What is that? DIY cars? This is gonna be interesting. Wait, did I see the word racing? The grand prize is a real car? Awesome! This is what I need. Hey, watch where you're going. I'm not letting this slide. Whoa! Another cool event? How could it go without me? And I'll take the poster too. No one will even notice. I wonder what that means. Oh, that's what's going on. It's so much easier to read this way. Awesome! That's a great idea. I'm in. Whoops! What was that? This is no time to rest. I need a plan. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. I have to come up with something. Okay, I'll figure it out on my own. Looks like it's time to relax. Racing is my passion. We'll see who comes out on top. What a cute duck. The noises it makes are so funny. Quack, quack, quack. I love foam. It's so relaxing. Are you ready to dive, my little ducky? It's supposed to be a supercar, but how can I make one? Of course, a log! That's what I need! My log! Pinocchio's going to win no matter what! What can I do? There has to be something. No, that's stupid. Although, I guess it's worth a try. Oh, yeah! Why didn't I think of that in the first place? Wow! Awesome! What do we have here? Woohoo! Speed duck! Of course! That's genius! Yeah, duck! They can't catch us now! Okay, the sketch is ready! Let's get to work! They're going to be so jealous! The main thing for a car is the wheels! Hey, where are you going? Stop right there! Perfect! I'll definitely make something nice out of it! Well, the time is now! Girls are smart and powerful! I'll show you! Let's do it! This will be a genius invention! Whoosh! Not so fast! I can't brake! Well, that was bound to happen! Help! Get it off me! Oh, my neck! This thing works great! We're definitely going to win! It just needs a little work. Always had a problem with these tools! Come on! Let's do this the easy way! Like that! So who's the winner here? Bad boy! Come to Daddy! It's time for a little tune-up! Perfect! This is easier than I thought! Well, who's going to win now? I hope there are no spies here! This project is classified! Oh, great! There's not much left! I think it will work! That prize is mine! Phew! That was harder than I thought it would be! That's okay! The main thing is that the car is ready! What should I choose? My car has to look spectacular! This is it! This is what I need! It'll be hard not to notice! It's time to make you look gorgeous! Wow! This is awesome! Now let's go! Some parts for my baby! Hold on! Pieces of wood!
Yeah!
Oh! I'm sure it's worth it! Let's add some creativity to this design! Oh! There's so much I have to do! That's okay! I'll definitely win with this car! Hello? Anybody here? Whoa! This is so awesome! It's going to be so gorgeous! Just a little more! Wow! I am so strong! This branch doesn't fit at all! So, what have we got? Oh! It's a great nose picker! I'm a great inventor! Wow! This looks like what I'm looking for! Oh, great! Vroom, vroom! I think we're all set. The car can move. But it's missing something. Think, Kevin, think! The race is coming up! Whoa! What is that? It's impossible! I can't believe it! Is that a ship? No, I think looks like someone's overworked! Of course! It's a sign! Why didn't I think of it? I can make a great sail out of the curtain! That's wonderful! Let's get to work! Awesome! I'll have the coolest car ship ever! That's it! It was easy! And this teddy bear will be the navigator! And remember, safety first! Now I'm almost done! A couple of feathers on the pink steering wheel. A heart! Gorgeous! I can't take my eyes off it! A little rhinestone on the hood. This car deserves to win! Now let's add some flowers. That's it! It's beautiful! This is a car fit for a real princess! Oh no! I'm going to have to change my look! I need to match the car! The wood supercar is almost ready! More plants! Seems to be working out pretty well. Let's go for a ride. Oh, what's that smell? It's okay. It'll make it seem tougher. Oh, cool. That's really smart. What's that? The more customization, the better. Eco-dimensioning? There's something to that. Quack, quack. The duck is ready to go for a swim. There. You belong at the front. An anchor! A wing! Sail safe, buddy! This is great! I hope it all works! Well, wish us luck! We should change before the race! Alright, what do we have here? Oh, that won't do! And the pants have to go in the trash!
Hey.
What? What's wrong? Whose pants are those? What's the future winner going to choose? Whoa! This is just what I need! Nice tights! Thank you! Alright, the champion's outfit is ready! I don't need this! Oh, I think I found what I need! I think this will work! No! Don't look! No peeking! I'm not ready yet! Great! Now let's go for the win! Now, where's my champion helmet? Alright! Vikings rule! Soft and cozy, and most importantly, safe! The opponents are ready to compete! Let's welcome Ryan! Whoops! I think I found something! Do you need it?
Yeah.
Christy! The only female contestant is so amazing! Let's wish her luck! Wow! Kevin's a real water god! The race is about to begin! The contestants are tense! The engines are rumbling! You bet! The main prize is a car! Alright, let's get ready! Set! Go! The contestants rushed into battle! The roar of the turbines! Or is it the stomping of their feet? They all want to win! That's crazy! Nobody wants to fall behind! Looks like the boys are pulling ahead! Now that's some competition! But what do we see? Christy is pulling up! What a twist! It's going to be very hard for the boys to catch up with her! She never gives up! Stop right there! That's not fair! We'll see about that! Girls rule! No way! There has to be one winner! And it's going to be me! You don't know who you are messing with yet! Hey! Wait for me! There's the finish line! The competitors are leveling off! And it's a tie! We've never had that before! Congratulations, my friends! And here's the prize you deserve! You fought well! Is this a joke? Where's our car? Ha! You can keep it! Oh, a toy car! Ryan, we're leaving! Did you enjoy our DIY race? Would you want to do something like this with your friends? What would you make your car out of? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. Don't miss the funniest sketches for teens on Troom Select.